Beloved soul, as you enter into this sacred moment, allow yourself to gently relax, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. For with every breath, you are stepping into the light of love, forgiveness, and divine healing. And as you settle into this energy, feel yourself wrapped in a soft golden glow that surrounds you with safety, peace, and warmth. A glow that holds the power to heal every wound, soften every memory, and restore harmony to every relationship in your life. And as you breathe in deeply, you breathe in peace, you breathe in love, you breathe in compassion. And as you breathe out, you release anger, you release judgment, you release resentment, you release fear, and you release all burdens you have carried for too long. For this moment is the moment of healing. And as you continue to breathe, gently repeat within yourself these affirmations that are seeds of light being planted in your heart. I am open to healing. I am open to forgiveness. I am open to love. I am open to peace. I am open to harmony. I allow divine light to flow into my heart. I allow divine wisdom to guide my relationships. I allow divine compassion to soften my mind. And I now go of all barriers that keep me away from love. For love is my natural state, and in love I am free. And as you affirm this, feel the golden light growing brighter around you, flowing through your heart and reaching out like gentle rays to touch every soul you are connected with. And as this light flows, it carries your forgiveness, it carries your compassion, it carries your understanding, and it carries your unconditional love, dissolving the walls of separation and replacing them with bridges of connection. For you are a being of light, and your relationships are reflections of this light. And as you continue to affirm, I am at peace with my past. I am free from old hurts. I am free from bitterness. I am free from the pain of misunderstandings. I choose to forgive myself. I choose to forgive others. I choose to let go. I choose to allow healing. I choose to embrace love. And I choose to live in harmony. For forgiveness is the key that unlocks my freedom. And love is the power that restores all bonds. And as these words sink deeply into your subconscious, feel your heart becoming lighter, as though a great burden has been lifted. And with this lightness comes a deep compassion. For you now realize that every soul is on a journey, that those who have hurt you were themselves carrying pain, that those who misunderstood you were limited by their awareness, that those who withdrew their love were struggling with their own wounds. And in this understanding, you soften, you let go of judgment, you let go of blame, you let go of criticism, and you simply rest in compassion. And as you rest here, affirm that I see the divine in every soul. I honor the journey of every being. I release my need to be right. I release my need to control. I release my need to win arguments, and I choose peace instead. I choose love instead. I choose unity instead. I choose kindness instead. And I allow this kindness to flow into my words, my thoughts, my actions, and my intentions. And as I do this, my relationships begin to transform. For love is magnetic, compassion is magnetic, forgiveness is magnetic. And as I radiate these energies, they return to me multiplied, creating harmony in ways beyond my imagination. And so now I affirm that all my relationships are blessed. My family is blessed. My friendships are blessed. My romantic connections are blessed. My professional connections are blessed. Even my relationship with myself is blessed. For when I love myself, I attract love from others. When I forgive myself, I forgive others more easily. When I honor myself, I honor others. And so I affirm that I love myself, I respect myself, I honor my worth, I am kind to myself, I am gentle with myself, I am compassionate with myself. And as I nurture myself, I become a vessel of love that naturally overflows to everyone around me. And as I continue to affirm this, imagine now that you are standing in a beautiful garden of light, where flowers of every color bloom with the fragrance of love and harmony. And in this garden, you see the people you are connected to, family, friends, loved ones, colleagues, even those with whom you have experienced pain. And as you see them, you do not feel heaviness, but instead you feel waves of compassion rising from your heart. And this compassion flows like a river of golden light, reaching them, healing them, and bringing peace between you. And as you stand here, you say silently in your heart, I forgive you, I bless you, I release you, and I love you. I forgive myself, I bless myself, I release myself, and I love myself. And as these words echo, the bonds of negativity dissolve, replaced by threads of golden light that weave harmony and connection. And as you feel this, you realize that healing is not about changing others, but about changing the way you see them. And as you see them with love, they respond with love. As you see them with compassion, they respond with compassion. As you see them with forgiveness, they respond with forgiveness. And so you affirm that I see love in everyone. I see peace in everyone. I see light in everyone. I see the divine in everyone. And as I do, I attract love, peace, and divine harmony into my life. And as these affirmations sink into the deepest levels of your being, you realize that you are no longer bound by the past. You are no longer defined by old pain. You are no longer trapped by old stories. You are free. You are loved. You are whole. You are healed. And in this wholeness, your relationships blossom like flowers in spring, radiating beauty, joy, and fragrance. And as you continue to repeat these truths each day, your heart grows stronger, your love grows deeper, your peace grows wider, and your harmony expands into every corner of your life, touching everyone you meet, blessing everyone you connect with, and uplifting everyone who crosses your path. For you are now a channel of divine healing in relationships. And as this journey continues, you affirm again and again, I am love, I am peace, I am forgiveness, I am compassion, I am harmony, I am light, and all my relationships reflect this truth, now and forever.